बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Chapter number 1 of Science Human Organ System. Their first topic name is nervous system. The organ system in our body which carries messages from one part of the body to another and coordinates body function. This system is called nervous system. This system has two basic parts, CNS and PNS. CNS is the central nervous system and PNS is the peripheral nervous system. Look at this picture, there is human nervous system. The topic name is neurons or nerve cells. Neurons or nerve cells is the basic structure and functional unit of the nervous system. What are nerve impulses? The neurons transmit messages in the form of electrochemical waves called nerve impulses. This is the structure of nerve cell or neuron. Neuron has two basic parts in this structure, cell body and the terminal ends. Cell body is consist of dendrites, nucleus and cytoplasm. Nerve. A nerve is a cable-like bundle of axons enclosed in a common sheet. Nerve transmit messages from one part of the body to another. There are three basic types of neurons: sensory neurons, motor neurons, and interneurons. Sensory neurons carry nerve impulses from sense organs like from ear, eyes, tongue, nose to central nervous system. Motor neurons carry nerve impulses from central nervous system to the effectors like glands and muscles. Interneurons create a link between sensory and motor neurons. Next one topic name is central nervous system. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Brain. This is the human brain, and human brain consists of three basic parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. The further parts of forebrain are cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus, and the further parts of hindbrain are cerebellum, pons, medulla oblongata. Spinal cord. Spinal cord is the extension of medulla oblongata. It runs backward inside the backbone up to its lower end. It is also made up of interneurons. It controls some immediate and involuntary actions. Peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system or PNS is a system of a network of nerves which are spread in the body to connect all the body parts to the central nervous system, brain and spinal cord. This system has two types of nerves, cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Actions controlled by the nervous system. There are two types of actions which are controlled by the nervous system. What is voluntary actions which are performed under conscious control like walking, running, eating, etc. and involuntary actions which are performed without involvement of thinking process like heartbeat, movement of small intestine, etc.